Hello, ATHE members. I am Martine Key Green Rogers, and I am president of ATHE. We have an important membership update we're excited to share with you. Starting April 20th, we're making changes to how your membership dues are structured. So, right now, dues are calculated based on income levels. And while that approach was well intentioned, we've heard from a lot of you that it felt complicated and unclear, or just didn't reflect the reality of where you live and work. So, we've simplified things. Our new categories include student, full time faculty, contingent or independent artist, and senior level career. Senior level career is a sustaining membership intended to support our most vulnerable members. And those are essentially designed to reflect who you are actually as theater educators and artists. So your membership benefits remain exactly the same. Same access, same community, same resources, but what is changing is finding your place in this organization hopefully just got a whole lot easier. Our membership dues should reflect our values, and our biggest value is you. Yay for cheesy slogans. And we are grateful for your continued membership. Thank you.